Icebergs. The word icebergs means mountain of ice, a very large mass of ice that floats in the sea. Icebergs are dangerous because they are huge and they float low in the water, which can cause danger to the ships. Children, this is the picture of a world map. In this, you can see southern seas and northern seas. Okay, it is already mentioned in this lesson. They were going through this southern and northern seas, so you can understand by looking this world map. Okay, if it is a big map, we can I can show you the seas, but I can show you only through this video pictures. Okay children, we can continue our English story. Then Mrs. Plug was in a journey with her family, and they met a problem. What was the problem? The ship was in the ship there was a hole, then water poured in. Then look at this picture. You can see the ship's part. This is the ship and the captain is standing here. See, what are the waves like? Look at these waves. What are the waves like? Is it small waves or big waves? Okay, what can you see in the picture behind the captain? See, you can see clouds here, and this is, what is this? You want to say what can you see in the picture behind the captain? Okay, this one. Is the captain happy? Is the captain happy? What is he doing? What is he doing? He is saying something. What is he saying? You look at this picture carefully and you want to send these questions answer as audio clip in the Google Classroom.